AJ here, part 2 on how to fix a E-Cig battery. Now I know my camera stinks, but I think you can see in that picture there is a little round disc in here, right in the center. That little round disc is what makes the connection to this ring in here. And sometimes those discs, that disc, see if we could get a better picture of that, that disc becomes compressed and it needs to be lifted out. So all you do is get your tweezers out. As you can see, I just lifted it up there. And I'm going to lift it up on this side a little. Very hard for me to show you this. But you just get your device in there and you just lift it up. Ever so gently, lifting it up till you get it lifted up. And it will come up, I would say, 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch maybe. You can get it. And that is, you could actually see the shadow of that it's creating now. After I've lifted that up. And now when I screw this back in, I just want to center this a little bit more. When I screw this back in, this battery that was dead is now going to work. Pretty good. That is E-Cig battery fix number 2 by AJ. Enjoy.